Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Here's your chance to buy a piece of Volo Museum history. We have an evolution of travel display, and this car has been on display for the last 6 years as part of that. The gentleman I bought it from, his father bought this car in 1974. So it was a one owner from 1974 up till 6 years ago when we bought it, and we've had it on display. Claimed to have 2,800 actual miles. The gentleman said while his father owned it, he did not restore the car, he maintained it. So what you see here is claimed to be an original car. I can't verify that, obviously. The car is a 1926 Ford Model T, but it does show a lot of original qualities. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can look at the pictures and read the information. And that's where you'll find the very, very inexpensive price tag. We can even finance the car if you go to volocars.com. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe, click on the bell icon. You'll be notified as the new videos are posted. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. A little putt-putt spin. Speaking of going for a spin, I used to take people for a spin when I was 12 years old. We had a Model T. It was red, and instead of a body, it had 3 rows of seats. I think they were cut out of plywood and just had cushions. For 50 cents, I'd give people a ride around the property. I was literally 12 years old. And a Model T is not the easiest car to drive. The pedals are completely different than what we're used to today. But anyway, underneath this car, it's just good, solid, original. The exhaust system is good. Tell you what, this car fires right up. It's been pretty much sitting. It did just go through our shop and got serviced. It came from the shop to here. And I just touched it, and it fired right up twice for me just now. So why don't we look at the body? There's some dents. Here's a dent. There's a dent. But it's solid. It's all solid, all original metal, all solid. The fenders are the originals. It's little tiny lines on the edges. That's how you tell an original fender. All 4 of them are original, not reproductions. That's just an indicator that maybe the story of 2,800 miles is true. But this is all solid. It's all metal. This is not rusted. It's not bubbling up. This paint is from at least 1974. It could even be original. All solid. There's some dents. There's some dimples across the hood over there. But it shows well. It's a fun car. It doesn't need to be perfect. A little bit wavy, like right in here. This fender almost seems like it maybe bumped something at one time, and it seems like it goes up a little high here, maybe got pushed. But again, original fenders, no rust, all down here, all clean metal, no rust at all. Now the paint, we just polished it. There's nicks and chips and flaws all over the paint, but standing here, it's a shiny black Model T. It shows very well. It does have a lock on the door here, a nice chrome handle. The glass is actually in excellent shape. You got the rear spare tire with the Ford script cover. This window is excellent. Chrome bumper is very good. It's tarnished right here. There's a little bit of rust on the clamps right there. Original tail light is a little damage on the glass there, but it's intact. Has the Ford script writing on top here. Wood spoke wheels are in real nice shape. Goodyear tires. They are safety all-weather tires. All the glass is really good. Yeah, it's all nice. It says safety glass on this window, so I don't know if that's a laminate window. This one says Supra Test. So I'm not sure what that means. You got the little visor. The vinyl top's actually in really good shape. It's not ripped or split. Got Ford step plates on the running boards there. You got bumper in front. You got the chrome grille, headlights, Ford script on the glass lenses. It has the speedometer. There's a gear-driven cable right off the wheel. The crank start, that's only emergency. This does have electric start. Like I said, it pops right off. Here's your air conditioning. The windshield swings open or shut, and you can even open this cowl vent. Oh no, that's for the gas right there. That's where you fill it with fuel. So let's check out the inside of this little buggy. The display this was in, it's the evolution of travel. It started with the old wagons that people went across the country, and by the time it got up to this car, there's a little reproduction cottage we have, and this car was parked under a roof next to the cottage. And then after you go past this, we have campers from the 50s. But the door panel's in nice shape. The cloth is nice and straight. It's not stained. It has the original style window cranks. Leather strap to keep it from opening all the way. And if you catch the door handle up on top, you pull that back. That's how you get it in and out of the car, or out of the car, I should say. Now we've got a pretty special steering wheel here. It's a big, massive wheel, but it locks. There's an actual lock there. I did not try the key now that I think of it. That's to keep people from stealing it. And there's your horn. It sounds like a dying animal. The original style ignition does work. You've got a choke right here. Speedometer, 2,815 miles. It's a Stewart gauge. There's the speedometer. Again, that runs off the front wheel. You got a Ford rubber mat down on the floor. The upholstery has some wear on it, but overall in really good shape. Now this side, if you want to get in the back, this is the seat that flips forward. The back seat has a little patina that makes you think it's definitely not new, but it's held together really well. It does have a rear window shade that pulls down. The carpet, that's obviously, to me, obviously been replaced. I don't think they had carpet like that. And then this little box of goodies. This is a luggage rack. This goes on the running board. You open it up and you can load up the running board with your boxes or luggage, and there's just miscellaneous stuff in this box that will go with the car, of course. People sometimes make fun of how I dress. I realized I left my sweater on. I made my grandson pancakes last night for dinner, and I got pancake all over the front of it. But anyway, these are the magnetos in here. That's that dying animal horn that we heard. It's an original engine. It has a leather strap that runs the water pump. Actually, it looks like it slipped off. Yeah, it's loose. It slipped off the bottom. They'll have to retension that. And why don't we take a quick look at the other side? That's where the manifolds and carburetor are. There's the speedometer gear. Look at the old style spark plugs and wires. This is all part of the carburetor assembly. Actually, the fuel goes in down there, and it's all part of this. That's the intake. You got the exhaust. Matter of fact, I'm supposed to shut the fuel off. There we go. So there you have it, just a fun old car. God, almost 100 years old. Here's an oil change sticker. It had 1,200 miles on it, but boy, I can't read the year of that. The doors shut real solid. The wipers, they work great. As quick as you can flip the lever back and forth. So there you have it. You looking for something just fun to putt around the neighborhood with your grandkids, or you have a spot to put this just on display, parades. It's an attention getter if you have a business, and it's affordable. Go to volocars.com, talk to the salesman with your questions. They'll help you get this delivered. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe, click on the bell icon. You'll be notified when the new ones are posted. Thanks for watching.